Hello, my name is Jean Bolat and I'm assistant of Khaled Mohammed at course Math 130, which is Mathematical Statistics. And today I will talk about my experience in 9th and 10th weeks. So at first week, I took their practical assignment. So students just come to the class, I give them some assignments, they have to complete it, then I check their progress. And at the second week, we together with Khaled Mohammed were checking their assignment 6 and assignment 3 and assignment 4. They have to complete it. They had to complete it at home. Then they bring their assignments to the class and just start defending. And our task, my task was just to ask them questions, and if they answer correctly, then I have to give them high grades. If they struggled a little bit, then I have to took some points. So I will tell about the assignment 3 and assignment 4. Here it is. Teacher shared with me this folder in Google Drive, and here I have all the assignments, their questions and answers. So before the lesson, we took about 1 hour to discuss these assignments and how we'll check, how we'll grade, and so on. So I will first show you the assignment 3. Assignment 3 is working with dataset which called penguins. And here, because of a lot of number of students, we had less time, so I just asked them about 3-4 questions. So first one, for example, here I have this thing, yeah, and I'm questioning what is this and why in the diagonal there is histograms instead of scatters. So the answer is this is scatter plot, you can see it, and in the middle there are histograms, because if we will draw this kind of scatters for bill length mm and also same bill length mm, there is this cross section, that means that there will be just a line, not kind of this scatter plot, just line, because we're comparing it with itself. So that's why it will be useless, and to make it useful, we draw this kind of histograms which are showing their for example standard deviation or normalization. Okay, then here is the same, and here I have question, what is this and what is correlation? So the answer is correlation is relationship between two columns. For example, relationship between bill length mm and bill length mm itself is 1, because they're very related. And the second, we see that the very high relation here we have with bill depth mm and body mass. Yeah, here same. And here I ask questions. For example, what is correlation? Students have to answer like correlation is relationship between two columns. So we can see that bill depth and body mass are very have higher relationship value. That means that if, for example, some people get a lot of bill depth, that will make them stress. They will have to eat more or just have some stress conditions, and they will get or gain body mass. So this relationship is pretty higher. Okay, so if they answered correctly, I give them higher grades. Okay, so assignment 4. Assignment 4 is kind of much more interesting, because there we're working with dataset which is about crimes in Boston. So they have to analyze this dataset, get some values and so on. Like this, for example, what you did here, and they have to explain all the lines. So for example, I created for example subplots to draw this kind of histograms for each of them, and then just displayed the number of crimes at these years, for example, or number of crimes at each month. For example, we can see that at 4 months there are a lot of crimes, and so on. So that was it. This week was very productive and I liked it, so thank you very much.